So this is the critical core skill up for discussion today, is empathetic communication. So my idea today is that empathetic communication is not necessarily instinctive. In banks, definitely not instinctive, but it's a conscious decision we make, which is, I'm going to use empathetic communication in this particular interaction with somebody. And that is really what this is all about. So the difference between what the company wants to say, what the business wants to say, and what the audience wants to hear is at the heart of what happens with empathetic communication. And there's this simple thing of what they want and what they're interested in. And somewhere in the middle is the overlap of the relevance where good empathetic communication works. And I sum up in 5 simple letters, WIIFM, to think, what's in it for me? And the idea is that all we're trying to achieve is the connection between people. And at the heart of that connection has to be the idea of empathetic communication.